Hey friends, welcome back to Touring Midwest. I'm Andrew, and it's going to be a question of the week video. In this video, my question is going to be about tools. I was looking over the most current issue of the Hog magazine the other day, and they had a little section in there on one of the first pages about a toolkit for your motorcycle. So I'm curious, do you carry a toolkit? Yes or no? I think most of us probably do. What I'm mostly interested in is in the comments down below, because I want to know if you guys carry too many tools or just what you need, or not enough tools, or whatever. Have you actually looked your bike over to try and determine what exact tools you need for things that you could fix on the side of the road? You know, there's not much of a point in bringing tools to do a big job, because you probably won't have the parts that you need. I don't know. I was just thinking about it because I think I bring probably too many tools. I haven't actually sat down to figure out what exactly I would need to do this or to adjust this. Well, you know, I kind of bring a lot. I'm kind of in the mindset where it's better to have and not need than to need and not have. So I've kind of just thrown a bunch of stuff into a tool bag, and then I just throw the tool bag into the hard bag on the bike. So anyway, just curious. Be sure to comment down below so we can get a conversation going. I should actually show you guys my little toolkit too sometime. But anyway, that is about it for this question of the week video. If you have a question you're just dying to know what everybody else does or what they think of it or whatever, let me know that in the comments down below. Probably get your question featured on a future video. So that's it for now, guys. Take her easy. Have a good one. Stay safe out there. We'll catch you on the next video from Touring Midwest. Peace.